From the outside, everything looks normal. Inside, the office is calm, clean, and business appears to be running as usual. But as temperatures drop, the danger begins where no one can see it. Pipes start to freeze. Behind ceilings and inside the building structure, ice forms inside the lines. As water expands, pressure builds rapidly. And then, the pipe begins to fail. A crack forms. Water starts leaking into the ceiling system. In minutes, the damage escalates. Ceiling materials weaken. Insulation falls. Water spreads through the office. Then the sprinkler system activates, sending even more water into the space. Furniture, electronics, and office materials are now all exposed. What started as a frozen pipe has become a full commercial water damage disaster. Now the aftermath is everywhere: soaked materials, structural damage, and a workspace left abandoned. Frozen pipes can cause devastating damage fast. Prevention and rapid response make all the difference.